Let's make this delicious mango delight together. All you need is dairy cream, condensed milk, mangoes, gelatine and biscuits. Add 2 packs of cream. Crush the biscuits and cut mangoes into small pieces. Add cream, mangoes and condensed milk into blender. Blend it well. Add 2 tablespoons of water and 1 tablespoon of gelatin in a pan. Mix it on a low flame. Add this mixture into the blender and blend it well. Add first layer of crushed biscuits. Spread the mixture onto it. Again add the crushed biscuits. Spread the remaining mixture. Add some mango pieces and enjoy. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the recipe and I will see you in my next video.